Hello viewers, I'm Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Trigonometric Function Exercise 3.3 22nd sum. Let's see the question. Prove that cot x into cot 2x minus cot 2x into cot 3x minus cot 3x into cot x is equal to 1. So there is no trigonometric ratios of multiply and subtraction in between of 2 cot. So we will try to do in a different method. I am going to take cot. The highest number is here is 3x. So I am taking cot 3x. I am splitting this to cot 2x plus x because we have 2x and x. So I am splitting this to 2x and x. We know the formula of cot a plus b as cot a cos b, cot a cot b minus 1 by cot a plus cot b. So using this formula, I am just splitting cot 3x as cot 2x plus x and a to be 2x and b to be x. So now cot 2x plus x is equal to cot 2x into cot x minus 1 by cot 2x plus cot x. This is nothing but what? Cot 3x, right? So cot 3x is equal to the given value of 2x cot x minus 1 by cot 2x plus cot x. I am just bringing this term to this side. It is in division. It will come as a multiplication. So this becomes cot 3x into cot 2x plus cot x equal to cot 2x cot x minus 1. If I multiply this inside, I get cot 3x into cot 2x plus cot 3x into cot x equal to cot 2x into cot x minus 1. Bringing minus 1 to this side and the rest of the number to this side, I get cot x. If I bring this becomes cot x into cot 2x. Now if I bring this to this side, it comes as a minus with cot 2x into cot 3x. I have brought this number to the side. Now this becomes minus cot x into cot 3x. This comes as plus 1. We need to prove this. I have proved this without taking anything, just taking cot 3x only. I have proved the LHS equal to RHS. So hence proved. That's all with the sum. Thank you.